Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. I want to tell you about working from home with a successful solution method, because I just got 2 payments, one yesterday and one today, which puts me up over $3,000 right out of the gate in a little over 2.5 months with this program. And this business model is a unique business model. It is totally put together that you do tasks and everything else is in place, and it works. The traffic is highest quality. People that have already talked to somebody, and that is pretty incredible. They already told how much they have to invest, how many hours they have a week to work the business. And with SSM, it's only 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, pretty much. And that's really cool. You get paid if you do your tasks, and they're pretty easy. We have webinars that tell you exactly the layout of how it works. And I just wanted to give you this information because I'm so excited, because I have been getting paid every week since I got in. The very beginning, we had June and July, and now we're in August, and I have been paid every single week without fail. It is consistent weekly income, which everybody needs that, right? It is very important in this time we live in. Really, people can have something consistent to depend on. So I can tell you, I'm very excited about this program, very excited for anybody that wants to join, because it works for everybody that wants it to work, because it's laid out in a way that it's easy for anybody. My grandkids could do it. It's that easy. It really is. And that's really important when people get in a program that's not complicated, that you can get set up in just a couple hours and you're ready to go. Now, how awesome is that? You don't have to fight with websites. You don't have to fight with, monthly payments. You don't really have any of that with this, and it works so well. And I just had to give you this information because it is incredible. It really is incredible. So you definitely want to join and take a look, if nothing else, and see what we offer. It is so amazing. Now, I've made over $3,000 since I've been in at the beginning. I started earning, and when does that ever happen? I mean, people spend 6 to 9 months before they see any money. So this is a special, incredibly awesome business model that pays people, pays newbies, pays marketers, pays everybody, and it's a breath of fresh air, really, that people can earn. It is so fun. So, thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.